Okay, we gotta find this other room.
Okay. I heard him in the water. Okay.
It's good to know he can't really see us too well, so maybe he won't see us like right away. Uh-oh. Okay. Are you sneaking?
Maybe.
Who is that?
Okay, okay.
No, you're safe. He doesn't know where you are. Oh my god, we're safe. Just stare at the wall. Oh, he's going into the room. Okay. Where is he? Okay, he's going back into the room. Do you want this on? I think we should part. Okay, go that way. Oh, there's some stairs. Maybe that's where the pump is.
This one?
Yeah. Clicking R for you.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh! Shit! Come on! Run!
I just gave up.
No, we got this. We just gotta run. I'll save you. We gotta run. We just gotta run. Okay, it's okay. We just keep running. We just run. Okay. Where do I go? Okay, wait. Okay. Is he in here? Oh my god. No! I'm trying. Oh my god!
Okay.
He's breaking down the door. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, he just opened up a locker.
Don't waste your battery. Okay. Thank you. They may
I'm
or
glad
may
he
not
gives up
crack.
quickly.
Yeah,
Oh
we
my
need
God, my
ice
heart.
cream after all this. Oh my god, I thought we did that.
Ice
We
cream.
didn't die.
Ice cream for ice cream.
Okay. Okay, but
Okay.
now we know we have to go in the other room. I swear, we have to go in that other room. So if we just go outside and take a right, and there's stairs right there. So,
Thanks
okay.
for taking over.
No problem. I just kept running in circles. When in doubt, just keep running. Okay.
Okay.
So is he in here?
No, I think he
Okay,
walked
he
out.
left. Okay. So if he catches us, we just have to make sure we run into the other room and close the door immediately. Okay,
Okay.
there he is. Okay. Okay, we gotta run.
Oh, okay. Oh shit! I was shifting.
Okay, go there. Okay, now turn around and click on the door.
Go.
Click on the door. Good job. Okay, now go hide. Yeah, hide. There you go. You did it! I'm so proud of you. Okay. Now hopefully he doesn't see us under here. Oh my god. What?
He gives up quickly.
He does. He's an idiot. Okay, that's good. That's
Okay, but
good.
now all the doors are knocked down, so I can't like.
Hide again.
Yeah.
Okay, well the thing is in here, right?
Okay,
it
wait,
better
I've gotta-
freaking be in here. If that gas pump is down in here, I'm gonna freak out.
But then I have to get to the main generator and then get out.
Okay,
Okay.
let's leave this. Okay, there it is.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to hit this and then hide under the bed again.
Okay, good plan. Because he's gonna come in and check on it.
Yeah.